Hello, my name is Jefferson Ariel V. Lagua. I am 22 years of age from Barangay Linao, Ormoc City of Bismar E3 Bravo. A faulty doctrine that I am aware of is that of the Buddhist doctrine of the non-self, or they do not believe the existence of a person's soul. But to challenge that doctrine, I turn to the philosophical idea of dichotomy, or in Christian theology, it is the Christian dualism. It argues that a person is composed of two distinct substances, a material body and an immaterial soul, or the spirit. The soul is eternal and unchanging, while the body is temporary and mortal. It is stated that the soul is created by God and is the source of a human's personality and identity, which comprises of the consciousness and free will of a person. It is known it is known it is known in Christianity that death is the separation of material and immaterial, or the body and the soul. It is not to be non-existent as it is stated in Ecclesiastes 12 verse 7 verse 12 chapter 7, then the dust of which God made man's body will return to the earth as it was, and the spirit will return to God who gave it. In summary, using the principle of dichotomy or dualism, it disproves the Buddhist doctrine of anatta or non-self, where there is no existence of a soul, which in fact there is, because if there was no soul, then humans would have no identity and moral accountability. That is all.